Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a few of my treasure hunts. Yes, I have duplicates of each one of these in the packaging, so I have these ones to open. I've got these in my mail call. Remember my mail call? Yeah, I got a bunch of these treasure hunts and I got some to open. And we're just going to go in case order. This is the Deora II G-Case treasure hunt from the HW Dream Garage, number 505, number 144. I'll give you a look at the back. Got all of these in my mail call. And Mustang Funny Car is the H-Case treasure hunt from the Hot Wheels Race Day. 10 of 10, 156. H-Case treasure hunt. And the Dodge Little Red Express truck. I actually found another one of these in the wild, and that's the one that I'm going to be keeping in the packaging. But this one I got in my mail call to open. I wanted to loose one of these so bad. This is the M-Case treasure hunt. Alright. Let's get the Deora II out first. And you can see that it says, "Congratulations, this symbol means you just found a collectible treasure hunt car." And this is the Deora II. I'm setting that one to the side. We go with H-Case treasure hunt, the Mustang Funny Car. It says the same thing on it. Man, loving to get these loose. And Dodge Little Red Express truck. And there you are. It actually says same thing on all of them. Sometimes it just has a flame logo. Alright, now I got 3 loose 2021 treasure hunts to look at. Here's the first one, Deora II. Great spinning wheels. You can see that treasure hunt logo right there. Right there on the side of the casting, you can see that treasure hunt logo. And it has the Hot Wheels logo in like blue and white. And you can see in the newer retools of this casting, you can see the Hot Wheels imprinted on the skateboards, the surfboards, which are actually part of the solid cast. They're not removable anymore. On this version from 2000, the surfboards are actually removable. I'm not going to remove them in the video, though. But a Deora II, very cool fantasy casting. I really like it. Chrome interior. And just loving loose treasure hunts. G-Case treasure hunt right here. Deora II. And here's a nice look. It's got Phil Redmond 5-spoke wheels on it. And just sweet treasure hunt. And the base, you can see the new retool. All these cars are made in Malaysia. And now this is the Mustang Funny Car. Good spinning wheels on this one. This is the H-Case treasure hunt. Right away we're looking at a solid plastic base. And you can see all the different stuff on the bottom. 2020 copyright. And I've got all 3 retools of this one, which I'll show you in a second. One thing I'm saying about this one right now is that the colors are pretty drab. These colors are not very appealing. I don't really like the colors on it, but it's still a very cool casting. I've always loved the Mustang Funny Car. And you can see that Hot Wheels logo right there. And HW graphics, and it's like a mint green and orange. And you can see one of the treasure hunt logos is right there, right next to the fender, where it holds a gold 5-spoke wheel. Here's the front of it there. You can see that nice detail right there. Nice to have these treasure hunts loose in my hands right now. I got duplicates in the packaging as well. And there's the main flame logo right on top. It's actually golden, kind of like the Super Treasure Hunt logo. And you can see that wheelie bar right there, and no envelope for the parachute. But interior's chrome, and I can give you a look at another retool. This is like a 2016 retool, I think. And it actually says 2010 Ford Mustang for some reason. This is another version of this casting, and it has a 2010 copyright. And this is a first edition where they were metal on metal and they actually opened up. So those are pretty cool. I've always loved the funny cars, and now I've got a third one to add in my collection in the form of a treasure hunt. Alright, let's take a look at the Dodge Little Red Express truck. Right away, I knew this would have some great spinning wheels. This is my favorite out of all three of these. I love this Dodge Little Red Express truck. And right away, you can see the Goodyear symbol. It's like a beautiful metal flake green with gold retro spoke wheels, retro slot wheels. And you can see that Treasure Hunt logo right there on the fender. It's like a step-side pickup truck with those big exhaust pipes on the back, like those stacks. And yellow, like retro design. I really like how it's like a 90s or 80s, 70s, 80s style. 70s style. It's a 78 Dodge Little Red Express truck. You can see that beautiful grille. Dodge right there. You can see the yellow. I'm loving the designs on this one. And beautiful smokestacks. You can see the back, the bed there, and black interior. Treasure Hunt logo is located right there. Just an awesome casting. It's got a track star on the base. The base is plastic, chrome, and beautiful Treasure Hunt. One thing I think that they should do is make the Treasure Hunts metal on metal. Although maybe it would be too easy to detect them, but if you're a nerdy collector like me, you'll probably already look all of them up for the year and then look for them on the shelf without even determining if they're there in the store or not. But yeah, I just opened up 3 of my Treasure Hunt cars. All the packages were damaged, so they will look better loose in my collection, especially since I already got duplicates of them in the packaging. Thanks for tuning in. And, don't run away, Mustang Funny Car. I've dropped quite a few cars in the past from rolling down. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.